Hi, I'm Addie Banks. Haven't we all questioned why people behave as they do? There are many indicators that seem to explain this. If we understand some of the whys, perhaps we can change our perceptions of why humans behave. I facilitate the why of human behavior discussion groups to gain insight into social issues from different perspectives, so I call upon every representative to join in. Topics include race and ethnic relations, belonging, social and belief systems, media influence, multiculturalism, and so much more. What do you think about these topics? Where do you weigh in on the social matrix? With better understanding of why we and they think and act, can we forge a better plan for coexistence? Can we find contentment in our place and time? Let's see. Join us every month as we explore the why of human behavior.